What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are thebomb.com. Thank you for 15,000 YouTube subscribers. I am so ecstatic to reach this milestone. It is just popping. Thank you for liking every video, sharing, staying to the end. I really appreciate you. I value your time. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into our budget and our cash stuffing for March 2023. This is going to be for week 3 of March. And let's dive in and see how we did. Now, I already dropped a March update for either week 2 or week 3, but sometimes I work on the weekend and I have extra income. And so I just want to stay ahead of that and go ahead and budget and be responsible with this income. So let's jump inside to the budget. Okay, so for this particular week, March 12th through the 18th, we had our other income, but then we had an additional amount of income totaling $1,613.49. Let's bring you guys in so you can see what I'm looking at. And this is still for 3/12 to 3/18. We'll call this part 2. And let's talk about how we spent it. So first up, we sent some money to the HELOC. So this is a combination of my Sisterloc's income and my RochelleAdamson.com income. So Sisterloc's income sent $408 to the HELOC. And then RochelleAdamson.com HELOC payment totaled $250. Next up, my credit card for my business got $245. And then let me just move this up to stay in frame. Let's talk about the cash. So Sisterlock cash, we are going to stuff 200 of that. And then from my RA business, we're going to stuff 100 of that. Now, also as an extra, we'll just put that we have an extra $100 because I had some random deposits, some credits from Amazon spending that I got back in my bank account, and we're going to stuff that too. So total, we're going to be stuffing 400, but in reality, 3. Then let's talk about sinking funds. So for sinking funds, my Sisterlock's tax, we are going to put $200 to the side electronically for that. And then for my business, we're going to put $170 to the side for taxes. So a total of $370 to taxes. Then I have a contractor who helps me with my business, and I put $85 to the side for them. And then I had some extra left over. I gave it to Eva's savings account, $4.81. So if you add all of that up, you get $1,613.49. And this is helping us reach our goal to put at least half to 75% of all of our income towards debt to pay off. So it is really working. I cannot wait to show you guys the update. Ooh, the mortgage payoff update is going to be exciting. Want to be one for the books. Okay, so now let's dive into the cash. Okay, so first up is food. Food has $25 left over. I'm just taking notes so I can see. I'm trying to make sure that I'm putting enough to the side for these categories. Eat Out has nothing. Hubby looks like he still has his 20. So I'm going to leave that in here. Next is Row. I also have 20. I'm going to leave that in there. Tips is up next. It has $20, $40, $60. We plan on doing some restaurants for our anniversary later this month. So that is just staying in there so I don't forget. Miscellaneous, your girl didn't, wait a minute, your girl had some money left over. Did I not touch my cash envelopes? It's been so busy. Miscellaneous still has 40 left. So we are going to keep these wallets amounts except for the food. I want to take this $25 and do our March savings challenge with it. Okay, so March Madness, we did not forget about you, boo. So we now have saved $20, $40, $60, $65. So week 3, we stuffed $25. Yes, March Madness. Now, I don't think we need to get any more groceries for the week, small runs, so I'm going to leave that empty until our next cash stuffing, but I am going to put 20 more in eating out. Feeling really good about my wallet and how much money I have for spending until next week. Okay, now let's talk about some other things. Let's go ahead. Let me check off as we go because I definitely have my list. I want to go ahead and put a little money in our phone sinking fund. We are saving to pay our next Mint Mobile phone bill in full. Y'all, did y'all hear the news that they done joined up with T-Mobile? We're going to put $20 in our phone sinking fund. It's just crazy to me because it seems like so far nothing has changed on my end. My service has been the same, if not better. And everything, the signage is still the same. I still use the Mint Mobile app for everything. So we'll see how this plays out. But I always get worried when I see like a small company like go in with a big company. I feel like, you lose that authenticity. Like Ryan Reynolds is hilarious. But anyway, 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 385, $390. The total is to save $1260 by the end of next year. So we are making our way. I have to add that to my sinking funds category. I just realized because I did my little printouts to remind myself of how much money I need to put in each category monthly for this one and weekly for this one. So we'll see how it goes. So the cash envelope one, I didn't have to. So we added $20 for eat out and I didn't stuff food. Hopefully that'll help me stay on track. Alrighty, what else are we going to stuff? Let's do another savings challenge. I am really not focused on savings challenge this video. I'm going to be doing a separate video for those just to make sure that I'm putting enough money towards the categories that I need to be focused on first, because savings challenges is my heart. I'll be like, yes, let's put some money in savings challenges, but then stuff my phone sinking fund. Like, come on, bro. But anyway, we will do one of the 25 envelope savings challenges. We will stuff it with a 20. We'll do 18. And I'm either going to use this money, depending on how soon I finish this savings challenge, I'm either going to use it to be our plague money for when we travel, or it's going, if I haven't saved enough yet by then, I will use it to cover our guest spending. Because when you have a guest here, it's just how it goes. You spend money. So I want to make sure that I'm on it about that. So I forgot to print off my checklist. I have a little checklist to keep me organized, but I have 1, 2, 3. This goes really quick. I like this savings challenge. I haven't even been stuffing it that much. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 18 more envelopes out of 25. So you can see I don't open this much. So it's kind of stuff. But these envelopes are premium, y'all. You can reuse the savings challenge over and over again. I love it. Okay, so I think you'll save $325 if you do this. So that's a note to myself. I have 18 more envelopes. 18 more. Okay, now let's stuff some sinking funds. I'm so excited because this cash video, we get to stuff our travel categories. So like, I just feel like I haven't been able to go hard with those lately, but since this is extra income, I can do that. So I'm happy. First up is, we're not stuffing beauty, car insurance. I have to have $155 a month for car insurance, and it is due, I just looked at the thing, it's due next month. And we only have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 490, 495, 500. So what I need to do is 60 a week to catch up. So that's what we're going to do. 20, 40, 60. So it now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 520, 540, 550, 560. So plus 60 is 560. Then next up, car registration, I need to contribute at least 45 a month. I think I just picked a high number because I really want to get ahead and stuff this for like the next 2 years. But I have 25 a month minimum. So right now we should have 425, 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 415, 20, 25. And so we are going to add another $20 to this to make 450. And the goal is 500. I said, no, that does not equal 450. That equals 445. Yeah, I want to say 500. So, and it's due also no, it's also due in May. So we got time, but we definitely are doing really good. And then the other one I want to stuff in here is health. Health is going to get $20. I have a big dental payment and some lab bills. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220. It just behooves me how I have health insurance and I still have all these copays and little teeny little bills that come in no matter which insurance plan I have. Like I've had federal employee plans. It don't matter. They all somehow get me. And then the last one I care about stuffing in here is Tesla. Tesla is also getting 20. And so it now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 520, 540. Saving for our next set of tires. And this also should cover incidentals in case anything goes down with the car. Whoa, it said I had 520? No, 540, okay. $540, and this is supposed to be 520 and 500 and 440. All right, we'll leave that open so I can dry for once. And then it is time to stuff our travel sinking funds. So excited, y'all just don't know. Okay, so first up is flights. I have them in order by the things that I need to buy first. So flight is getting 100. It now has 100, 200, 250, 270. Hoping to buy flights real soon. So we're going to be bumping that up quickly. Next is hotel. I don't usually have to pay for the hotel until I get there. So it's getting 50. 170 total in hotel. And then transport, we're skipping airports. It has 40 for now. Actually, we'll put some money in eat out. Eat out is going to get, it's only got 20, so let's put 50. So it now has 70. Oh, it feels so good to do this. I love travel, y'all. It's the only fun I get to have, you know, like outside of just, I mean, we know how to have easy fun, like go to the beach and stuff, but like travel has always been bae. Transport is going to get the last 20. And there we go. So now next time I can start to focus on some of these smaller categories like tips, excursions, souvenirs, and miscellaneous. Well, that's it for today's video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Until then, peace, love, and budgets. Oh wait, I forgot to unstuff my coins. I know it was something, y'all. I'm saying bye. I'm signing off. We got some coins. We got some coins, and I will just leave a note to myself that we are stuffing 22 cents for Keep the Change Savings Challenge. There we go. All right, see y'all.